G'day YouTube land. Today we got me and Dusty and we off the leash. Let's go the boys. We've left the kids at home, left the family at home, and it's just the boys this weekend. So we're gonna get out, chase some barras up the creeks. It's gonna be 1,000,000 degrees and we'll probably drink too many beers, but anyway, that's what this time of year is for. It's November, it's hot, and that means the barras are on the bite. So we're gonna go get stuck into the dogs. Yeah. Big mob over there. That's better. Barrel lollies, baby. Just a couple. Oh, sent that one.
Yep, a bit bigger. Might get your mullet back.
Got your mullet back.
Yeah.
He's still alive too. Perfect. Haha, well done.
Yeah, big
Oh,
jack.
big jack. Nice, mate. You want the net or what?
Nah. I'll get him. Nice big jack.
Yeah, here. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, that is a monster. Woohoo!
He's probably just under 45.
45, 44.
Yeah.
That's a nice jack. Well done, mate. Yeah, hold him up. Ha, nice work. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Was that jack or what? Yeah, nice.
was it a
one.
cod?
Oh, is it? No, I reckon it's jack.
It is a nice jack. You kidding me? Right, I'm getting in that spot. Oh, Dusty! That's awesome, mate. 9 o'clock, but when it's 30 degrees, when you get up in the morning, every time's a good time to have a beer. This is going to be an issue with yours.
Mine's actually out there. That's just a bit of slack in my eye. I'll deal with it. Come on over here.
Yeah.
I'll get it in there.
Bit of a river monster here, I think. Just go a bit harder. Yeah. There we go. Big groper.
Oh.
Big Queensland groper. Giant.
Holy!
Oh!
Hang on,
Grab that camera. Woo! Oh!
Oh, yeah, it's not, is this on or what? This thing's not even on or what?
Yeah, it's on. Touch the back of the screen.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. What a fish.
Jeez, that thing's massive. Holy that's huge.
I don't want to pull that in. It would be a wicked photo. Fuck, what do you reckon?
Oh.
Maybe. Yeah, we'll put him in the net, eh? And pull him in.
Yeah?
I reckon, or what? Just chugging there, full second. Oh, that's hilarious. It'll fall off. Ah!
Wait.
That is ridiculous! The size of that. Alright. It's not a barra, but far out. What a fish. That's insane. Big Queensland groper from the creek. That's wicked, eh? Unbelievable. He's happy as Larry. We'll let him go, eh? See you, mate. Oh, what a fish. Well done, Dusty. Hey.
The biggest fish I've had.
Oh, that was sick. Yoo! Just trying to soak that in a little bit. That was mental. We were just saying on the way in that we haven't had a good fish for a while, and I think yeah, that's a good fish. It's not a monster barra, but it's still an amazing fish. So I reckon we back in form and momentum's on our side, so we're gonna have a good trip, I reckon. Oh, let's go. Beer tastes good after that. This shirt, slimy as anything now. I'm gonna have to take it off because it's disgusting. But that's all right, it's still worth it. It's a good bartail flatty. One for the bag, that's a good fillet right there. We going good. Righto, this is where we at. I just ripped the bejesus out of my net. We've had a good like 2 hours. We got like 15 good mullets and we got some good jacks and nice flathead. So getting a few keepers in the esky, which is nice, but went to throw for some more bait and just destroyed my net, which sucks. So we're just back at the boat ramp, grabbing another one, and we're running out of time because the tide's coming, so the tide's dropping, and we need to push back up the creek so we can get locked in the pool that we want to be fishing, because once that tide drops, you can't get in there. So we're just going to grab this this net out of the car, and we'll get back out there and get back in that pool and bring on the barras. They're coming, I can feel it. We're gonna get a few, I reckon. All right. Right in front there. Oh, Dusty! Oh, the barrel lollies! They're the ones!
We are done.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Oh, that's it, one throw.
Did you even see them?
No. I saw ripples, I suppose. Right, let's go.
Dusty, one throw there, just cleaned up with the biggest mob of these. They're not bonies, they're something different. But they proper barrel lollies. They don't stay alive, they just die as soon as you get them out the net. But they're good as a dead bait. So we'll use them, and we'll try and get a few more mullets too, and then we're in the game. Nice job, Dusty. Showing us how it's done with his brand new net.
That's how we roll, baby.
After I destroyed mine. Nah, barrel, splashing like that.
It looked like a barra, but I could be wrong. Didn't get a good look at it. Definitely bloody silver.
That's a barra. Oh,
salmon. What? Nah, barra.
Little barra. Barra. Nice barra. Get him, Dusty! Yoo! Well done, mate.
60 something.
Not bad, good enough. Nice, well done, mate. Oh, barra. Oh, salmon.
Barra, no, salmon.
Good salmon. Nice salmon.
Right.
Hey, well done.
Hey, look at that there. Nice one.
Look at that. That's a good barra. That's what we come here for. Beautiful. That's probably 75, I reckon. Beautiful fish. Nice silver saltwater barra. Awesome. Did I say 75 before or what? Can't remember. 5. Beautiful. What a nice fish. Jeez, we're on at the moment, it's all action. We'll hang on to this one, we're getting a bit of a feed. Then we'll start letting them go. Oh yes. I just seen that good 75 centimetre barra that we pulled in, that I pulled in. Didn't record for it. And it was sick too, it was like jumping and carrying on, it was wicked. And we missed it all. Yeah, that sucks. Oh well. What are you gonna do? Hopefully we'll just get a few more. Never mind, alright, we'll stick at it. Here we go. Oh! Yeah. Can you see if this is on for us? The GoPro?
Yeah.
Or you can just take it off your head.
Filming.
Oh! Maybe turn that one on, Dusty. Oh! It's a good fish.
Get around. Yeah.
Don't think it's as, I don't know, it didn't feel as big, but it's putting up a great fight. Oh, it's actually a good one. Coming in. Coming in hot. Here we go. Oh, it's a nice fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a beautiful saltwater barra. Oh, Dusty.
Just pinned.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Look at that. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Oh, we're doing well. This is a good session. We're cleaning up. Beautiful. All right, let's get another one. Time for the big ones.
Oh, good stuff.
That's a beautiful saltwater barra, 76 centimeters. Another keeper for the bag. Bloody lovely. These barra lollies are just going off. These little bony things, whatever they are. So good. That's a nice fish. You're absolutely stacked in here with fish. It's been so good. Wow. You're gonna have to drink some more beers. Oh!
That big, that's why.
Oh! You're right.
It's not that big.
It's a nice barra. Come on, Dusty, you got him. Pull him up. There you go. Well done, mate.
He swallowed that anyway. He
Yeah.
wasn't going to name it.
That's another nice barra.
That's our bag.
beautiful, beautiful saltwater barras. Now we just need the big dogs. Oh yeah. Well done, mate. Nice fish. Yeah. How's this for an unbelievable couple of hours?
As it is, you know,
yeah.
Have we got a bag?
What an esky. Who needs to go to the reef when you're catching fish like that? Unbelievable. Little ripple. Couple of good ones. That was a good barra. Unlucky. Oh! Oh! Double hookup. Oh!
Did you lose it?
Oh, that was massive! Damn it! What have you got? Oh, double hookup, mine launched and I lost him. Oh shit! Well done, mate. It's a nice fish. Give us a look.
On the hand line.
Well done.
Happy with that.
Mine was bigger than that. Did you see that?
I saw the jump.
Oh, fuck. Well done, mate. Woo! We probably need just a little bit of a recap at the moment. So we stuck up in the creek as we planned. We locked into the low tide pool, so the tide's gone out, and if you were to drive out past this water here, you'd get stuck on a sandbar. You can't get through here. And it's been awesome. The fishing's been hot. We've got 5 barras, I think, so far, and we've lost probably 3 or 4. And some more action with, obviously, with that big groper and cods and jacks and stuff like that. So it's been bloody good. Starting to get a bit of build up now. That's why the barras are firing up. This wind might be a little bit annoying, but it's good because it's keeping it a bit cooler. Apparently we're in a severe heat wave at the moment, and we've got extreme weather warning, so what else would you do but us dopey buggers sit out here on the mud and drink beers and yeah, but we catch barras, so why wouldn't you? Looking forward to the afternoon session. It's been bloody good, so whew. More of the same would be fantastic, so let's go. Fingers crossed. On. Oh yes, baby. Oh! Yes! Did you see that? Yeah, mate. Good barra. Oh, good barra. Coming up. Okay, come on, baby. He's gonna jump here, I reckon.
Big leader. Oh, yeah.
It's a good barra. Oh, that is a big one. Oh, you're not that big, but probably the biggest today.
Yeah, biggest today, definitely.
And we'll let, oh, that hurt. Ouch.
That's good.
Maybe 80 or maybe 79.
Just under. Anyway, he's going back anyway.
Ah,
That looks big.
it is big, mate.
That looks big in this boat.
Sea champ. Oh, we love catching barras.
6, eh? Number 6 or what?
Yeah, like not catching nothing. Look where his hook is. Bait down there.
Well, I'm glad I didn't wait another half
Hook
an
up
hour
there.
before I checked it, eh?
This is where we at. It's been a bit slow the last hour or so. Hour, 2 hours. Like we've had a hot session this morning and after lunch, but it's certainly quieting down now. I reckon hopefully once that tide pushes in we'll get another run, but we're pretty much just waiting for that now, and I got another probably hour and a half of fishing. We've had a great day, but we're just missing the big barra, so hopefully we just get one proper one, like a, you know, a real good one. Hopefully get a big dog, but if not, we've had a fantastic time anyway, so yeah, happy days. All right, come on the big dog, we'll see, let's go. Yeah, that's a barra. Just a little one, but that's all right. Oh, that's a mess. Don't know how that happened. Definitely. Oh, it's still a sweet looking little fish, eh? Took a big mullet. Whoa. See you, mate. Salmon. Yeah, 30. Oh. Oh, big salmon, I reckon. Big thready.
Oh, hello. It's woken up.
Oh, it's a big thready.
Reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that big bow wave. Big thready. Come here, boy. Yeah, it is a big thready, eh?
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a good thready, mate. Get him in. Oh.
I can't. Wait,
Oh.
is he a meter or what?
I don't know. He's a good size. I don't have the net. We should have got him then. Oh.
I'll get him, I'll get him. Get the net, get the net.
You want the net?
I'll deal with him, I'll deal with him.
That's actually a big thready.
He might not be a meter.
He's pretty big. Well done, mate. That's a wicked fish. Well done, mate.
He's got to be made or what? Hey?
Maybe.
Is he a mate or what?
Let's put him on. Let's stop talking about it. Still over. 102.
Woo!
That's good, mate.
104.
Yeah, right here, like this. Nice. Hold him up just a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Yeah. Nice. Oh, sun's going down. Tide's pushing in. It's actually rushing in a bit fast now, so we done, but bloody good work, Dusty, pulling in the... We got a Metery in the end.
Yeah.
Metery thready.
Metery thready, yeah.
Not a barrel, but geez, you take that any day, eh? What a good day. We've bloody slayed it. Been hanging out for a good session and it produced today. And you know what? The best thing is, still got another day tomorrow. All right, we're gonna fang back to the boat ramp. We gotta clean all these fish up and we'll get into it tomorrow. So we will see you there. All right. Look at the bats! Not bad. Not bad at all.
We got some work ahead of us.
Probably be here for an hour, but let's get this done.
Yeah.
We get a big feed and we get set for tomorrow.